နိုင်ငံခြားကိုအလုပ်ထွက်လုပ်ဖို့လူငယ်တိုင်းရည်မှန်းချက်ရှိပါတယ်။အလုပ်ရဖို့အတွက်လည်း English communication ကောင်းဖို့လိုပါတယ်။ဒါကြောင့်3မိနစ်လောက် English communication ကိုတူတူလေ့ကျင့်လိုက်ရအောင်
Where are you going now? I am going to library for my research. After that, I will go to cinema with my friends. I would like to go to art museum. Which bus should I take? You can take bus 25 from here and get off at museum bus stop. Can I open this box now? It is not allowed to open this box without permission. Which skill do you want to learn? I want to learn leadership skills in future. When do you close the shop always? I close the shop at 12 a.m., but in weekends I close at 1 a.m. What are responsibilities of your job? My responsibilities are printing documents, preparing for meeting and overseeing office area. How do you know about new product? I stay updated on my favorite brand in newspaper. Where did you eat lunch? I ate in KFC with my friends. How many languages can you speak fluently? I can speak 3 languages fluently and I am learning French now. Why should we hire you? You should hire me because I like teamwork, flexibility and hard working. I can work any shift and even on weekends. Did you take my book back that you borrowed? Yes, I did. I took yesterday to give you back, but I didn't see you. What is the main goal of this book? The main goal is teamwork drives success. How many times do you see your friends in a month? I see my friends regularly about 4 days a month. How was your off day? Very good. I got sleep very much after that I watched movies. When will the school bus come today? Normally, the school bus comes around 8:15, but today it was a little late. When will your class start? My class will start at 9 a.m. Do you like Chinese food? Yes, I like very much because they have balanced combination of sweet, salty, sour, and spicy.
နောက်ဆုံးတစ်ခုပဲကြံပါတော့တယ်အဲ့တစ်ခုကိုနားလည်တယ်ဆိုရင်ဘာသာပြန်ပြီး comment မှာမြန်မာလိုဖြေသွားကြပါဗီဒီယိုကနေတစ်ခုခုသင်ယူလိုက်ရတယ်ဆိုရင် like ပေးပြီးသိချင်တာတွေရှိရင် comment မှာမေးခဲ့လို့ရပါတယ်နောက်ထပ် English conversation ဗီဒီယိုတွေတင်ဦးမှာမို့အသစ်တင်တိုင်းသိရအောင် subscribe လုပ်ခဲ့ဖို့တောင်းဆိုပါတယ်ကျေးဇူးအများကြီးတင်ပါတယ်
How many languages can you speak and what are they?